Hello everyone, this is Rishabh and you are watching Company360.in. Today's question is, can dictionary word with acquired distinctiveness be registered as a trademark? A trademark may be a word, sign, symbol, or even graphic that is applied to a company or goods or services to distinguish them from those of the competitors. For example, a brand, product, company name, or logo. This enables consumers to identify, purchase, and enjoy products and services based on their specific characteristics and quality as promised by the said trademark or owner. Acquired distinctiveness. Every trademark identifies the goods sold under them as emanating from a particular source. With passage of time, it gets strengthened and a particular trademark gets registered or mentally associated in the minds of the consumers as distinctive of the product and its source. Some trademarks are distinct from their inception due to their inherent characters, and they are given legal protection immediately upon use as a trademark, while certain marks gain protection due to a secondary meaning they acquire over time. If we consider the case of DETTOL or Dalda, they were originally brand names, but they have diluted to now be a reference to the product itself to such an extent that even if you buy the same product under another brand name, the image that comes to our mind is that of DETTOL and Dalda only. That is acquired distinctiveness. The Trademark Act of 1999 indirectly deals with acquired distinctiveness or secondary meaning under provision of Section 9(1) and Section 32. The registration of descriptive trademarks is prohibited under Section 9(1)(b) of the Act. However, provision to Section 9(1) provides that a trademark shall not be refused registration if before the date of application for registration it has acquired a distinctive character as a result of the use made of it or is a well-known trademark. Further, Section 32 also provides that where a trademark is registered in breach of subsection 1 of Section 9, it shall not be declared invalid if, as a result of use which has been made of it, it has, after registration and before commencement of any legal proceedings challenging the validity of such registration, acquired a distinctive character in relation to the goods or services for which it is registered. Mere use of a mark doesn't mean it's rendered distinctive. Increased use does not do so either. The use and increased use should be in a distinctive sense to be of any material. It is permissible and necessary to determine the meaning and significance a sign holds on a given date. The usage in question is not limited to the consumers or end users of the products, but it is also extended to the others concerned in the trade, such as manufacturers, wholesalers, and retailers. In Godfrey Phillips India Limited versus Girnar Food and Beverages Limited, it was held that a descriptive trademark may be entitled to protection if it has assumed a secondary meaning, which identifies it with a particular product or as being from a particular source. The acquisition of distinctiveness is a laborious and time-consuming process. Even so, no time has been stringently fixed for a trademark to become distinctive, unlike in the British Act of 1919, which states that 2 years bona fide use was considered enough. There can be cases where for sundry reasons a trademark becomes distinctive in a really short time, or another case where a trademark never acquires distinctiveness. Hence, it is not possible to rule out any hard and fast rule regarding the time period required to acquire distinctiveness. In determining whether a mark has acquired a distinctive character because of a long and continuous use, the competent authority must make an overall assessment of evidence that the mark has come to identify the product concerned as originating from a particular source. In assessing the distinctive character of a mark in respect of which registration has been applied, the points in the next slide should be taken into account. The market share held by the mark. How intensive, geographically widespread and long-standing use of the mark has been. The amount invested by the undertaking in promoting the market. The proportion of the relevant class of persons who identify the goods to be coming from a particular undertaking. Statements from various trade and commerce associations.